This is Becky with the McMittens and family, and today we're going to talk about outdoor galvanized garden containers. I received this outdoor garden container for a sponsored video, and this is how it comes. All in pieces so it can be shipped compactly. So we're going to go ahead and lay this out and put it together. This is everything that was in the box, all the different pieces. You have 6 curved pieces, 3 for each end. You have your hardware, 4 straight pieces, 2 for each side, and of course the instructions and a liner that goes into the container when you get it all put together. So let's get started. All right, it's completely put together. It's 4 feet long by 2 feet across by 1 foot high. I have the weed barrier inside of it to kind of give you an idea of how big the weed barrier is. But this is really sturdy and made out of this rust-proof steel. It isn't going anywhere. I'm going to put it in the garden and either do a root vegetable like a carrot or something like that, or maybe a potato in it because I can control the soil. I think this is going to be a great addition to my garden. Super easy to put together, only took about 15 minutes, just those 4 wing nuts on each joint, and it was together. But it has the rounded ends. I think it's really attractive and it's going to look great in the garden.